Hi there, welcome to BSF Recovery Team. We're down here for what we call Midwest Weekend at Dresser, and we just got a call. Somebody on T-Bag Shuffle is on the verge of rolling over, and they need a little help. So we told everybody to stay in the vehicle. We'll be there in a minute.
What you doing, Eric?
Trying to find a good tool for putting pitman shaft seal in.
Why are we putting a pitman seal shaft in, Eric?
Because Chris ruined hers up in the iron range.
Are you sure you didn't?
Oh, I'm positive I didn't. She was following Eric.
I know.
So last week up in the iron range, Chris was wheeling and was coming to the top of Tipsy, I think it was, and lost all her steering. And so the snap ring moved, pushed out the seals, and when Eric and I started looking at it, we noticed somebody else had been in here before and used a pickle fork instead of a puller, and we think that is what has caused the snap ring to actually not seat right. So instead of replacing all of it, Eric thinks we can save it if we line the snap rings upright. So we're going to replace it with new seals and get her back on the trail for this weekend.
Like that.
Good enough for the life of the repair.
All right.
Boy, having the lifter makes a difference.
Yep.
Thank you, Challenger. You're just holding the camera like this, you're all crooked.
Maybe you're just crooked.
I am crooked. You're still faster than me, and it was right here. And I still don't have it.
You might want to put it in for him. He's kind of slow today.
I'll make a mess, I do every time.
So does he.
I just spilled a little. I didn't spill a lot.
Did you get yours out?
No. Eric was faster than me, and he went to a whole nother vehicle.
Thanks for timing on, see how long it takes
But-
you.
We still have it for,
Oh, that's power steering fluid. That's
yeah,
a,
it's just a different color. Chris just shows up just as everything's almost finished.
Thanks for fixing my Jeep, babe. I'm here.
So the other thing we got to fix today is, where's those lights at?
I haven't turned them on yet.
Let's turn the light on.
They're bright. Don't look at them.
They are bright, which is nice. That is the other thing Chris has to fix today. She broke her shock bracket again.
Yeah, in all fairness, you broke it last time.
No,
Yes,
Not
when you had
possible.
Porter out.
I think that was all
No.
fake news.
No.
I don't think that's possible. Yeah.
good.
What are you scrolling?
It's on Facebook.
Oh, look at you. Being all the boss over there.
Yeah, he's up on the. I was sitting.
Eric, what are you doing? You can't be checking things before we go to an event.
Yeah, we gotta check food levels.
What? This is unheard of. We usually don't have the time to do this stuff before the next event. We were at an event last weekend. Do you need a little?
Yeah.
Where is it? Yep.
Where's that bottle you had?
Where's that bottle we had, Chris? Oh, it's over there against the vise.
Everything leaks fluid. When it stops leaking, we know it's out.
Yep. Kind of like the old Harleys. Wasn't that the 70s Harley joke?
Yep.
I wasn't born yet, so I've only heard rumors.
Wow.
Is that just bolt stretch?
It's kind of seating into place more than anything. I mean, they're used bolts, they should be stretched already out. So it's just a matter of, you know, where they're perfectly lined up.
What you got there?
Got some of Mara's famous ribs coming.
Oh boy. Dinner time?
Already? What do we got? Oh, lunch is served. Yum. What's up, Babs? What are you doing?
Just going through Snapchat stories.
All those years of getting tools for my dad paid off.
We're good.
You can hear in the background we've got vehicles going on the Midwest Trail Ride.
Hi there, welcome to BSF Recovery Team. We're down here for what we call Midwest Weekend at Dresser, and we just got a call. Somebody on T-Bag Shuffle is on the verge of rolling over, and they need a little help. So we told everybody to stay in the vehicle. We'll be there in a minute.
You really wanted to be on the hook today, didn't you? You felt left out.
I tried to get off this obstacle. I was going to take a shortcut, and it's the first time for everybody.
It is. We gotcha. We gotcha. And you're okay with this being on YouTube, right?
No, yeah.
Okay.
You got it. You have to tag my channel, though.
Okay, well, you'll have to give me your channel.
Okay. It's Lady Rocklander.
Lady Rocklander, you guys. You hear that? Go to their website. Check it out.
All right, Jed, put it in reverse.
See if we can back up.
Turn passenger, turn driver.
Driver, yep.
There you go, back up.
Okay, hang on. Okay.
Back up. Hard driver. Slow, slow, slow.
That's good.
Jen, turn passenger.
Dash there.
Turn passenger. Right there.
She's good. We can unhook now.
Tree!
Again. Again.
All right.
Oh. He's going to have to turn it on. The locker it cometh. What's he hung on? You're hung up on the rock in the back end, Eric.
He's on the rock.
Broke loose.
There's another rock left.
Big rock right under your diff.
Yeah.
There you go.
too bad. We got them out of that situation. Let's see what's next.
Wow, that didn't take long, Ben.
Oh, come on. He's got the camera out. Never does.
Oh. The sand's a little soft. You're good.
Needed something heavy enough.
Oh, I think you had the mouse under the hood and it got out.
Thanks for watching, BSF Recovery Team. Keep wheeling, be safe out there, and maybe we'll see you in the woods.
It was in Ben's truck. It jumped out after the water.
I will do.
What'd you think of that?
It was okay.
It was okay.
I've been through worse.